Hi everybody, hope everybody is having a wonderful evening. I just wanted to give our craft room update number 2. So we've got some of our stuff over here. So we've got our Mod Podge craft and glitter stuff up there. Got some of my circuit stuff. This is going to be like our office space paperwork spot. We have storage down below. This is all of our junk journals, scrapbooking stuff. One of our towers is a hodgepodge of many different things. And then this is going to be our cutting table. We're still working on putting some stuff away. Shelves of our junk journals. We're not quite sure if we're going to leave them like that, if we're going to fix them some other way. Not sure yet. And then this over here is where we're going to have our sewing machines. We'll have our serger and our regular sewing machine. So that's about it right now. I hope everybody has a good evening. We're calling it quits for tonight. We'll pick at it some more tomorrow. All right, everybody have a good night.